What's the meaning of aphasia? Aphasia. Aphasia. Aphasia.
Aphasia. Aphasia. Aphasia is a disorder that impairs a person's ability to understand and use language. It can be caused by stroke, brain injury, or degenerative neurological conditions. People with aphasia may have difficulty speaking, understanding speech, reading, or writing. The degree of difficulty can range from mild to severe. Aphasia can affect a person's ability to communicate effectively, which can have a significant impact on their relationships, work, and quality of life. Speech therapy and other forms of rehabilitation can help to improve language abilities and quality of life for people with aphasia.